Hey everybody, I'm Daniel Schwabauer, creator of the one-year adventure novel writing program, and in this video I'm going to do a quick explanation of how the course works. So first, you really do write a novel in a school year, and you really do get a full language arts or English credit in the process. For parents, the class is taught for you on DVD or using our cloud streaming video system, which means you don't really have to be heavily involved. Grading, which is explained in this very short teacher's guide and is simple, takes about an hour at the end of the first semester, even less in the second, though I do ask you to read the student's novel during the second semester. But you don't have to know anything about writing in order to make that work. The one-year adventure novel is a step-by-step process that walks students through creating their own story. It's structured to be used 3 days a week for 2 semesters. You start each day by watching a 15-minute lesson, then you read the corresponding lesson in the textbook called the Compass. Then, during the first semester, you answer questions in the Workbook. The map has over 400 questions designed to pull the story out of the student. Those questions start out very broad, with things like, is your hero male or female? And they get more specific as you answer the questions. By the end of the first semester, those questions have helped create a 12-chapter outline of your story. So you know where you're going and you don't get stuck in the middle as so many first-time writers do. The second semester, the video and textbook lessons are geared towards helping you turn that outline into a rough draft, which means the focus is on translating the movie in your imagination into compelling prose that recreates a cool movie in the reader's imagination. We also read and analyze Anthony Hope's classic adventure novel, The Prisoner of Zenda, because it's a great example of a successful first novel that uses compelling story principles. 100 million copies of this have been printed in 80 different languages in the last 120 years. I should mention that this is our flagship product, and it comes with a number of other resources that we think are super important. For instance, our student forum is a fantastic place for young writers to share their work, to discuss books and movies, etc. That forum is in its 13th year and has literally had millions of posts from young writers. We also run a novel contest for the best novel written the previous school year using this course. The first place prize is $500, and all 3 of the top entries receive manuscript comments from the judges. I host live webinars twice a month during the school year, and twice a year, we offer week-long workshops in Kansas City where students can meet professional writers, agents, and editors, as well as meet with other one-year adventure novel students. For more information, check out our website or feel free to call us toll-free or shoot us an email. Thanks for watching.